Hello everyone and welcome to Spark 22. Here at Highspot, we're doing more than sales enablement, we're inventing the future.
We have to have the confidence to say, this is the reality. What you can ask us to do is operationalize at great scale with great complexity the initiatives that you care about tied to the outcomes that you cared about.
Good product companies are good at shipping software, but great companies are fantastic at landing solutions with those products for their customers.
I think the next several years will see us really make dramatic strides forward, but it has to start with us. We have to believe it first, and then we have to teach it to the rest of the world.
I want people to take risk. I want them to take risk. I want them to go beyond what they think is possible.
Highspot's our go-to source. It's easy to find what you need.
The impact Highspot has had on our organization has just been trust and efficiency.
We would love to be at Spark next year. The value of conversations has been so high that we'll absolutely be here in 2023.
And that's a wrap on Spark 22. It was such an incredible event and we can't wait to see you next year.